Good morning, students. Now we are learning our first lesson, measurement. Children, in our last online class, we had saw about accuracy in measurements, approximation, and then rounding off, and then very important rules for rounding off, and then problem 4 and problem 5. Children, let me once again explain rules for rounding off. First rule, decide which is the last digit to keep. And then rule number 2, leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. And then third rule, increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or greater than 5. See here, example 4, round off the number 1.864 to 2 decimal places. We need to round off the number to 2 decimal places. So the last digit to be kept is 6. See here, this is the last digit. And then since the next digit is less than 5, see here, next digit is less than 5. What is here? Number 4. So we can retain 6 as it is. So the answer is 1.86, because here what is the second rule? Leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. So here after 6, here number 4 is given. So we have to leave whatever given in the second digit. Hence the answer is changes 1.86. And then problem 5, round off the number 1.868 to 2 decimal places. Here we need to round off the number to 2 decimal places. So the last digit to be kept is 6. See here, 6, last digit. And then since the next digit is more than 5, see here, the next digit after 6 here given as 8. So 8 is more than 5. So we should increase the second digit by 1. Here we have to increase the second digit. What is second digit here? 6. We have to raise it by 1. So we should increase the second digit by 1. So the answer is 1.87. So up to this we had saw in our online class. Students, our first lesson is over, and then we going to discuss textbook exercise. First part, choose the best answer. So which one of the following system of unit is the British system of unit? So answer is option C, FPS system. So F stand for foot, P stand for pound, and then S stand for second. And then second question, electric current is a dash quantity. So electric current is a base quantity or fundamental quantity. So how many fundamental quantities are there? 7. So electric current is a base quantity. And then third, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. And then fourth one, luminous intensity is the intensity of visible light. So visible light is nothing but sunlight is example for visible light. And then question number 5, the closeness of 2 or more measured value is called as precision. And then which one of the following statement is wrong? Approximation gives accurate value is the answer. Option A is the answer. And then next part, fill in the blanks. First question, the solid angle is measured in steradian. And then second one, the coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. So define temperature. The coldness or hotness of a substance is called as or expressed as temperature. And then third one, dash is used to measure electric current. Ammeter. Ammeter is the instrument. Ammeter is used to measure electric current. Ammeter, ammeter. And then fourth question, 1 mole of a substance contains how many atoms or molecules? Answer is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. And then fifth question, the uncertainty in measurement is called as error. And then sixth one, the closeness of the measured value to the original value is called accuracy. And then seventh question, the intersection of two straight lines gives us plane angle. Students, our next part is state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First question, temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. Answer is false, because temperature is a measure of average. So you have to correct it, average. AVERAGE. Average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. And then second question, if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 minute, it is called ampere. So these also false, because here we have to correct it 1 second. One second is the correct answer. So if 1 coulomb of charge is flow in 1 second, it is called ampere. And then third one, amount of substance gives the number of particles present in a substance. Answer is true. And then fourth one, intensity of light coming from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. This is also correct, so answer is true. And then fifth one, quartz clocks are used in GPS device. So this statement is false because it is not quartz clock, it is atomic clock. So atomic clocks are used in GPS devices. And then next question, sixth one, angle formed at the top of a cone is an example for plane angle. So answer is true. And then seventh one, the number 4.582 can be rounded off as 4.58. So answer is true because here you have to round off up to 4.58. So the next digit is less than 5. So just you have leave it 4.58. This is rule number 2. What is rule number 2? See here. Leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. Next part, Roman letter 4. Match the following. First one, temperature. So temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness. So 1. And then plane angle. So plane angle, angle formed by the intersection of two planes. And then solid angle. Solid angle, answer is angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more planes. And then fourth one, accuracy. Accuracy is the closeness to the actual value. And then precision. So precision is the closeness to 2 or more measurements. 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. And then next, Roman letter 5. Consider the statements given below and choose the correct option. First one, assertion. The SI system of units is the suitable system for measurements. And then reason. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So answer is option B. Option B here given. Both assertion and reason are true. But reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Because SI system of units is the suitable system for measurements. Here they didn't mention any concept about temperature. But the reason they given SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So answer is option B. And then second one, assertion. Electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity are the fundamental physical quantities. And then reason. They are independent of each other. Answer is option A. What is option A? Both assertion and reason are true. And the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. And then third one, assertion. Radian is the unit of solid angle. Reason. 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc. of length equal to its radius? Answer is option D. Both assertion and reason are false. And then our next part is answer very briefly. First question. How many base quantities are included in SI system? 7. There are 7 base or fundamental quantities included in SI system. And then second one. Give the name of the instrument used for the measurement of temperature. Answer is thermometer. Thermometer is the instrument used for the measurement of temperature. Question number 3. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Answer is candela. And then question number 4. What type of oscillation are used in atomic clocks? Answer is periodic vibration. periodic, periodic vibration. And then question number 5. Mention the types of clocks based on their display. Answer is analog clock and digital clock. And then question number 6. How many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? Students, answer is 1 time. And then 7th question. How many hours are there in a minute? Answer is 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 equal to 0.0167 hours. Students, up to this 1 mark question answer is over, and then answer briefly, answer in detail I will post in your WhatsApp group. So kindly you have to write all the answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.